Okay, we're getting ready to cook up some frog legs. We're doing a Cajun style. Right here we got a rocket stove made out of cinder blocks. Right there. You got the feeder tube right there with the dry wood. It looks like a chimney. This part of cinder block right here is cut out and it makes like an L. Get the fire coming right up through the top. And right here we got, that's an old brake drum from a truck with just the grate on top, and we got some old skillet right there with some peanut oil heating up. I can smell them frog legs already.